Hey everyone, welcome back to Dizzy Globe Solutions YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about why RDBMS or Relational Database Management System. Why? Why are so important in the world of database management? Whether you are new to database or looking to understand their significance, this video is just for you. Let's dive into the topic. First, a quick recap about RDBMS. It stands for Relational Database Management System. It's a type of database management system that stores data in a structured format using rows and columns organized into tables. Now let's explore why RDBMS is so crucial. First reason, structured data storage. Structured RDBMS organizes data into tables with rows and columns, making it easier to understand, manage, and retrieve. This structure is particularly useful for applications where data relationships are essential, such as customer records, inventory management, and financial transactions. Reason number two, data integrity and accuracy. RDBMS enforces data integrity to constraints like primary keys, foreign keys, and unique constraints. This ensures that the data remains accurate, consistent, and reliable, which is vital for making informed decisions and maintaining trust in the data. Reason number three, efficient data management. With SQL, the standard languages for RDBMS, so you can easily perform complex queries, updates, and transactions. This efficiency is crucial for applications that needed to process large volumes of data quickly and accurately. Reason number four, scalability. RDBMS can handle large amount of data and scale as your needs grow. Whether you are a small business or a large enterprise, RDBMS solutions can be adjusted to meet your data storage and processing requirements. Security. RDBMS provides robust security features, including access control, authentication, and encryption. This ensures that sensitive data is protected from unauthorized access and breaches, which is especially important in industries like finance, healthcare, and e-commerce. Support and community. RDBMS technologies like MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, and Microsoft SQL Server have extensively documentation support and activity communities. This makes it easier to find solutions to problems, learn best practice, and stay updated with the latest advantages softwares. In summary, RDBMS is a fundamental technology for managing structured data efficiently and securely. Its benefits include structured data storage, data integrity, efficient management, scalability, security, and strong community support. Whether you are a developer, data analyst, or business owner, understanding RDBMS is key to leveraging data effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials and insights. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.